So we're checking out our zucchini today. We have that one, it didn't grow. The one that I picked previously was over here, but this one didn't grow. And there's a few small ones, and there's the huge one in the back. That is the biggest one so far. And then there's another smaller one over here. And this one is huge. I didn't know that we have another one here. Huge. Look at Yomi. This is super big. This is the biggest one so far. You want to see? You want me to pick it? Let's pick it.
Pick it. I will hold it.
I don't think you can hold it. It's too big.
Mommy, I like it.
Oh boy, that is huge. A few pumpkins from the neighbor. It's Ebony. So I'm gonna pick the big pumpkin, the big zucchini, because it's too big. I don't even know if we could eat this whole thing. It's like this huge thing.
Can you?
Oh.
You
Whoa!
wash?
That is huge. Can you carry it? So Naomi wants to carry the huge zucchini. Can you carry? So this smaller zucchini is the zucchini we picked last time. So this one is really big, the second zucchini. And then I'm gonna weigh the first one. So I'm gonna timbangon. It's 3.74 pounds. And one, this is 11.14 pounds. So this is really big. It's almost like a big baby.
It's a big zucchini.
You just picked it. I think that's gonna be our last one, Yomi, because they're gonna die soon. And there's the friend, honey.
Oh, wait, the black cat. And one is sneaking.
He's being sneaky, huh? Look at him. I don't know. Go.
No one knows it.
Abe, get out of the way, Abe.